War. War never changes. In the year 1945, my great-great-grandfather, serving in the army, wondered when he'd get to go home to his wife and the son he'd never seen. He got his wish when the US ended World War II by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world awaited Armageddon. Instead, something miraculous happened. We began to use atomic energy not as a weapon, but as a nearly limitless source of power. People enjoyed luxuries once thought the realm of science fiction. Domestic robots, fusion-powered cars, portable computers. But then, in the 21st century, people awoke from the American dream. Years of consumption led to shortages of every major resource. The entire world unraveled. Peace became a distant memory. It is now the year 2077. We stand on the brink of total war. And I am afraid. For myself, for my wife, for my infant son. Because if my time in the army taught me one thing, it's that war never changes. War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans Hall tonight, hun.
You think?
Ah, good morning, sir. Your coffee.
Thanks, Cosworth.
Of course, sir.
Nuka-Cola, ice cold. Looks like the milk got delivered. Saddle up Salisbury steak, graded A+. Hey, hon.
Can't believe it's almost Halloween. Oh, need to finish making Sean's costume.
Oh, sounds like someone made a stinky. I shall attend to young Shaw.
You know, I was nervous at first, but Codsworth's really good with Sean.
Enjoy your coffee, sir.
Warm temperatures continue with a high of 56. But then we're looking at a cold front.
Sugar bombs, 100% daily value of sugar.
Next week's Halloween festivities. Looking in on next week's forecast, we have a high of 52 on Monday. It also appears our troops stationed overseas are experiencing some unusual weather as well. On the island of Mamba Jao, the nights are cold. Unseasonably so for Southeast Asia.
Can you get that?
Fifth Infantry, that's as comfortable.
Good morning. Vault-Tec calling.
All the easier for
Vault-Tec? Remind me again?
Why, we're about you, sir, and helping secure your future. You see, Vault-Tec is the foremost builder of state-of-the-art underground fallout shelters. Vaults, if you will. Luxury accommodations where you can wait out the horrors of nuclear devastation. You can't begin to know how happy I am to finally speak with you. I've been trying for days. It's a matter of utmost urgency, I assure you.
What's so important?
Why, nothing less than your entire future. If you haven't noticed, sir, this country has gone to heck in a handbasket. If you'll excuse my language, the big kaboom is... It's inevitable, I'm afraid. and coming sooner than you may think, if you catch my meaning. Now, I know you're a busy fellow, so I won't take up much of your time. Time being a precious commodity. I'm here today to tell you that because of your family...
But there's room for my entire family, right?
Of course, of course. Minus your robot, naturally. In fact, you're already cleared for entrance. It's just a matter of verifying some information. Don't want there to be any holdups in the unforeseen event of total atomic annihilation. Won't take but a moment.
Come back some other time.
Come on, hon. It's just a little paperwork. Let him fill it out, and it's done.
You're right. Let's get it over with.
Just need to get this pesky info all squared away. Wonderful. That's everything. Just gonna walk this over to the vault. Congratulations on being prepared for the future.
Thanks again.
Hey, it's peace of mind. That's worth a little paperwork, right?
For you and Sean, no price is too high.
Good answer.
I have my moments. Hun.
Nervous? Don't be. Everyone's gonna love the speech.
Sean has been changed.
Hey, Codsworth.
You heard Codsworth. Go on.
If I may, Sean requires your personal attention.
How are the two most important men in my life doing? Spin the mobile a bit. He loves that. Hey, how's my little guy? Much better now, huh? Listen, after breakfast, I was thinking we could head to the park for a bit. Weather should hold up.
Yeah, sounds like fun.
Sir, Mum, you should come and see this.
Codsworth, what's wrong?
Followed by flashes, blinding flashes, sounds of explosions. We're trying to get confirmation.
What?
We seem to have lost
What did
contact
he
with our
say?
affiliate stations. We do have coming in.
Hey, Codsworth.
It's,
Sir, the
confirmed reports, I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania. My God.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
I've got Sean. Let's go.
Residents of Sanctuary Hills, if you are registered, evacuate to Vault 111 immediately.
all registered vault participants.
It's okay.
Just help me pack it up. Vault participants, check in at gate.
That's absurd! I am
Not on the
Vault
list.
Tech.
You don't get in.
I'm going in. You can't stop me.
We need to get in. We're on the list.
Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
You two, follow me. Come on.
What's gonna happen to all those people outside the
Doing
gate?
everything we can. Now keep moving. Sir, we need to send you down to the vault. Step on the platform. Step on the platform. In the center.
Almost there. We're gonna be okay. I love you. Both of you.
We love you too.
Hold on!
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
We did it. We made it. We're okay.
Everyone please step off
This
the
is our
elevator
new
and
home.
proceed up the stairs in an orderly fashion.
No need to worry, folks. We'll get everyone situated in your new home. Vault 111. A better future underground.
So we just...
Yes, up the stairs.
I can't believe it. If we left a minute later...
No,
We'd all
don't get caught up thinking about that.
Here for you.
You're safe now.
Just this
All
way,
new
please.
residents, please
Well.
proceed in an orderly fashion.
This one's good. Step over to the table, take a seat.
You'll need your
This
suits
way.
before we can take you further.
Thanks.
Step over to the table.
What now?
Just follow the doctor here. He'll show you where to go.
All right, you three.
Excuse
Follow
me.
me.
It's down the hallway right there.
Follow me. Just this
See?
way.
This is our new home.
Oh, you're gonna love it here. This is one of our most advanced facilities. Not that the others aren't great, mind you.
A little high.
Well, it's gone. Okay. Our home. Everything we
Sir?
had.
My mother and father down in D.C.
How,
Oh God, honey.
how
What if they
long
didn't
do you
make
think
it?
we'll be down here?
I know this is a
Oh,
difficult
we'll be
time,
going over all
but
that in
Vault
orientation.
Temple
Just a few medical items we have to get through first.
Just checking everyone off the list as they come in.
As well as comfortable.
Prepared for the future, right?
Such a lovely family you have. I hope you'll see this as your new home.
Just step in here and put your vault suit on. The pod will decontaminate and depressurize you before we head deeper in the vault. Just relax.
Time for a whole new life.
Resident secure. Occupant vitals normal. Procedure complete. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Manual override initiated. Cryogenic state suspended.
This is the one. Here.
Open it.
I'm okay.
Almost. Everything's going to be fine.
No, I've got him.
Let the boy go. I'm only going to tell you once.
I'm not giving you shot.
God damn. Get the kid out of here. Let's go. At least we still have the backup.
Cryogenic reinitialized. Cryogenic array. All residents must vacate immediately.
Giant roaches? What the hell? Nice. Coming back later for you.
return to the surface. And thank you for choosing Vault-Tec.
Oh, God.